Setting up Aico. Setting up your new Aico friend is quick and easy. Let's unbox it together. Here we have a brand new Aico that just arrived, ready to be unboxed. It's super simple. All you have to do is lay Aico flat on her side, her face like this. Open up the tabs. Reading material and extra information, we'll set that aside for now. This is super important. Make sure to use the charger that came with your Aico to make sure that she charges properly. We'll set the charger aside for now. I'm gonna go ahead and grab these this big handle looking thing of styrofoam here, and then pull out. Pull the box away. Excellent. Now, I'm going to take off. There's a portion that says back and the portion that says the front. The front will have a hole in it where you can actually put your fingers through to help assist pushing Aico out of the styrofoam. And the back is solid. So what I recommend doing is setting her down like this, removing the back, setting this styrofoam aside, hold her back here like this, lifting up. Now Aico can be pushed out a little bit from the front, like so. A little from the left, a little from the right, just a smidgen from the face, not too much. Again, a little from the bottom left, a little from the bottom right. Teeny bit from the face, not too much. And here is Aico. Hi Aico. Now that Aico is out of the box, all you have to do is first connect the charging cable to Aico and plug the other end into a wall outlet. Aico's screen will light up to show it's charging. Once Aico is fully charged, press the power button on its head. Now, all you have to do is connect Aico to Wi-Fi. To ensure Aico is always up to date and ready to go, let's connect it to your Wi-Fi network. First, swipe down from the top screen to open the settings menu.
Press and hold the Wi-Fi icon.
Choose your home Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter your Wi-Fi password and tap Connect. Aico is now connected to Wi-Fi and will automatically connect to this network in the future. Once Aico is connected to Wi-Fi, it's time for you to choose your profile and start learning. Aico shows each child that it is registered with their unique photo. Here, you'll see pictures of all the children in your group. Find your picture and give it a tap. See? Your picture got bigger. Oops, did you choose the wrong picture? No worries. Just press the arrow to go back and choose the right one. Now, tap on it again to start learning and playing with Aico. There you go. Now you can pick the right picture and have fun with Aico.